Unlock flexibility, yoga stretches for legs and hips. Welcome to our session on yoga stretching, specifically designed to ease and strengthen your legs and hips. Let's embark on this journey together. First, we start with the Anjaneyasana or the low lunge to stretch your thighs, groin, and hips, creating flexibility and strength. Gradually, we transition into the Adho Mukha or half monkey pose. This pose deeply stretches your hamstrings, preparing your legs for deeper exercises. Next, we embrace the Malasana, or garland pose, an excellent hip opener that also strengthens your ankles, lower hamstrings, and back. We'll then move into the pigeon pose, a profound hip flexor stretch that also benefits your legs, opening up the hip joint. Following that, the Baddha Konasana, or bound angle pose, awaits us. This pose improves circulation and stimulates the heart, while stretching the hips. Finally, we conclude our session with a calming Savasana, allowing our body to absorb the benefits of our practice, feeling rejuvenated and balanced. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporate these stretches into your daily routine for improved flexibility and a sense of inner peace. Happy stretching!